Hello everyone. On 15 August 1947, we got independence from British rules. Hence, the day is called Independence Day. Now, we are going to celebrate 75th Independence on 15th August 2021. Since independence to till the data, India has many changes. Now, let's see how much has India really changed in the past 75 years. At the time of independence, the population of India was approx 36.1 crore. In 2021, India's population is 139 crores 5,31,000 as of Monday, April 12, 2021. According to United Nations data, India's population is equivalent to 17.7% of the total world population and second ranked most populated country in the world. Now, field of education 1947 male literacy rate 24.9%, female literacy rate 7.9%, overall literacy rate 16.6%. In 2021, male literacy rate 84.7%, female literacy rate 70.3%, overall literacy rate 77.7%. Now, new education policy 2020 approved by Union Cabinet on Wednesday, July 29, 2020. This is the first education policy of 21st century and replaced the 34 years old national policy on education 1986. Now, field of health. India had 7,000 hospitals that time. Now we have more than 70,000 hospitals. India had 59,000 doctors that time. Now 2021, India has 12.5 lakh doctors. India had 35,000 nurses that time. Now we have more than 7 lakh nurses. In 1947, India had total 3 lakh beds in hospitals. Now India has total 7 lakh 29,000 beds in hospitals. Indian currency. At the time of independence in 1947, 1 US dollars value is equal to 1 Indian national rupee. But today we have to spend 74.90 Indian national rupee to buy a US dollar. In other words, we can say that in 2021, 1 US dollar is equal to 74.90 Indian rupees. Indian poverty rate. At the time of British departure, its poverty rate was at 70%. India is the country with the highest population living below the poverty line. Today, the poverty rate in India is 21.1%. Indian transport. At the time of independence in 1947, means of transport was less. There was no connectivity with villages and people have to walk miles or use bullock cart. Number of vehicles in 1947 was 3.03 lakh. At the time of freedom, the country had 54,184 km of railway line. Now in 2021, India has one of the largest road network in the world, largest railway system in Asia and second largest in the world. India has 21 crore vehicles in 2021. BRO was formed on 7 May 1960 by the Government of India. The BRO has played a very important role in both maintenance of security and in the development of border areas. BRO undertakes projects in India and friendly countries to develop roads, bridges and airfields in hostile environment. BRO operates in 18 projects in India: Deepak, Himank, Hirak, Pushpak, etc. Telecommunication. During the British rule, only the Britisher got all facilities and the Indians were considered inferior and were exempt from getting or enjoying these facilities. For communication, Indians could have used only letters, that too only a few who were educated could write letters. India had 82,000 telephones in 1947. First stamp of independent India issued on 21st November 1947. Today in 2021, India's telecommunication network is the second largest in the world by number of telephone users with 1179.49 million subscribers as on 31st January 2021. Indian culture. India is a secular country. People with different religions live here together with diversity. Every religion have its own culture. Since 1947, our culture to changed with some new customs got added and a few also got deducted. India's culture also got famous worldwide. In today's world, many foreigners are also following Indian culture. Indian culture also attracts tourists worldwide. When Indians are trying to be advanced and thinking Indian culture and customs as primitive, many foreigners are adopting Indian culture.